It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I don't know where to start. Man, what was going through my mind? I felt miserable. I really thought I mounted it right. I really did. I just lost my action camera, literally, like that. Gone forever. The signal was lost, and I'm thinking, what? Lost connection? Huh? And I'm like, oh no, oh no. I think it fell off. It fell off the car, like that. Bruh. One of my buddies, he literally found it on the street. It was on the highway actually, and he literally pulled over and he was trying to, you know, go recover it, but it was still working. But it's just, when I saw it, I was like, damn, the camera itself shattered. I mean, it was in really bad condition. As you can see in the clips that, you know, it was beat up like crazy. I still have the pieces there, broken rig, the broken suction mount. After my buddy recovered it, I went home, took it all apart, and took the screen protectors on. So I took them off. Thank goodness, both screens and the actual lens itself survived. Yeah, here it is now, as you can see already. A lot better than before. And this time I had some replacement screen protectors, and as if it was, you know, like new, literally. For this video, I'm gonna show you guys the properly mount an action camera mount so that it does not happen to you. Before I get started, the question of the video is, what went through your mind when a piece of gear of yours started to malfunction, stopped working, or even broke in the middle of a photo shoot? Well, without further ado, guys, let's get started. First, here's where you shouldn't mount your suction cup on. This one is a no-brainer. Don't mount it on a slight round edge surface. If you see a slight gap between the surface of the car and the suction cup, it won't mount. This mounting spot is where my suction cup fell off. The reason that is, I really thought it would hold. Then I realized that this spot is slightly curved. This was before I put the decal on, by the way. All right, here we are. I got my camera in my suction mount, and then I got a microfiber cloth and a detail spray. Anything works. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray it onto the surface we're gonna mount the suction cup at. Forgive me, my car's really dirty, ignore that. So we're just gonna go ahead and just give it a little spray, wipe it off nice and tightly. There we go. Anywhere. Now that it's done, we're gonna take our little cup. Usually I like to have the pump facing backwards. We're gonna take it out there. There you go. Then when you're done, I like to do a little pull test. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. I pulled so hard that my car literally moved. So that's how strong that is. So with that being said, just position your camera however you want in your own desire. I just can't emphasize how important it is to take care of our gear, especially when we're putting it out on the line like that. No, seriously, whether it's, you know, cheap or expensive, it don't matter. Take care of it, know how to mount it properly. Just knowing those little things, knowing how to do it right, comes a long way. The gear that I mentioned in this video will be under the description. That wraps it up, guys. So appreciate you watching. Make sure you go hit like, comment, subscribe. Helps the channel a lot. And I am going to end off the video with some compilation video clips of some car rollers of the Osmo Action 5 Pro. So until next time, guys.